Okay, I'm inside the Moynihan train station. I am on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly. We just started, but they have the bakery here. I've been saying I wanted to check it out. You know, would have been nice to check out the one on like on street level, but I'm here. I haven't had breakfast or lunch, and I can use a little coffee or so, perk me up. So we're gonna go in here. Oh, like look at this flooring. Can I get a latte? I'll get like, what's the size? What are your sizes? Oh, I'll do the small latte, but hot, right? And then I'll do a, no, I've never been asked, but what do you usually put? Just the regular is fine. What's this, the bar, the blueberry bar? What's the base of it? No. It's a graham cracker? Oh. Yeah, I'll have one of those. Thank you. All right, we're out here in Bryant Park in New York. I went to Magnolia Bakery and I got their blueberry bar. Look at it, it's such a huge piece, $7. And I got their coffee, a latte. So I'm gonna dig in, give it a try. I don't do enough dessert on my live stream. I'm on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and this is gonna be for my food channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. All right, here's the first bite. Let's see. Very good. It's like a cream custard, I think. And graham cracker at the bottom. A lot of blueberries. Very good. Not sweet at all. Take your bite. There you go. Yum, yum, yum. Very good. Finally in New York, and I tried Magnolia. Very good.